Hey guys, it's your girl Lena, and it's time to get twisted pretty. Okay, so this is a style I did a couple months ago, and everybody loved it on my Facebook and Instagram, so I thought, why not try doing it again, but this time with bigger braids. And since my daughter doesn't like small braids in her hair, I was like, well, why not try it on hers? Perfect. And disclaimer guys, this is not a full tutorial, okay? Because let's be honest, who was gonna watch the full tutorial video anyway? Nobody, right? Because nobody ever does. Y'all just skip through the video, try to find the main little points and parts. The hair that's used, I used 4 packs of queen bee braid. That's the 50-inch. One of them was a color pack. I started off by just parting a little row in the back of her head just so it could be a little bit fuller when it hangs down. And y'all know y'all never watched them full videos. I don't know what points y'all try to get, so those are the points that I'm gonna try to start throwing in there, because y'all just be skipping through watching like 1 or 2 minutes of those videos and then y'all go try it, right? All y'all need is the basics, so I'm gonna try to give y'all just the basics. But for this video, it was just a few clips here and there, a little run through. But anyway, oh, y'all see how I got that perfect part though, right? Yes, y'all might want to check out like my last video that shows how to get a perfect part, because that was crispy, right? So I just did a few braids across the back in the color so it could hang under the black. And I just did this to make it just a little bit fuller. They're so perfect. Look, you can't even see where I added in the hair, okay? Yes, yes. Straight parts, even braids. Now I started in the front and I just did a little crisscross action, 1 braid to the left, 1 braid to the right, back to the left, back to the right, until I got a little design that I liked. So I'm just showing y'all the start, how I did the first braid. I add my hair in right at the beginning from the start, and I'll keep adding it in until I feel like my braid is big enough or to the size that I want it. I don't even know how many pieces I added in, y'all. I just kind of go with the flow and the feel. Because honestly, you won't add the same amount of pieces into all your braids anyway, because like the front and the back of the hair is going to be thinner than the middle. When you get to the middle of the hair and it's very thick, you're not going to add in as much hair at the beginning as you would for thinner areas. So, you know, you just kind of got to go with the feel, with the flow of your hands. I know it looks like I'm braiding her hair super tight and braiding the crap out of her hair, but it's so thick, y'all. I got to get it neat. But she okay. She should be used to it by now. Okay, so this is the finished look, and y'all, she actually did not like her hair right now. So I pulled out one of my nice fabulous hair jewelry packs, which will be available online, and this is everything that comes in the pack. It comes with string, charms, rings, beads, clips, the little slide on pieces. So all my packs have like the same things in them, but they come in so many different colors, y'all. Y'all have to check them out on my site in about a week. So I put everything in her hair that comes in my variety packs. I have the rings across the front, the string, and as you can see, it made a world of a difference, okay? It really took the style from just being regular braids to being extra, okay? And you know how these kids like to be extra, so when she go to school, she about to be up in there like, oh, look at my hair. You know how they do up in school. They just want to show off. She thinks she's supposed to get her hair braided every week, okay? I'm like, no, you will not be getting your hair done every week. You better tie that down like the paying customers and hold on to it and make it last, okay? Or I'm gonna make you work these styles off. So this is everything. I put the beads in there. A lot of kids don't like to wear the beads, but they so cute on the braids. I get more adults wearing beads now than kids, but they're so cute. Like, you don't have to fill your whole head up with them. So Thanks for watching this quick little video. Make sure you go to my website and check out those hair jewelry packs, and leave a comments down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys later. Thanks.